Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. Today's video is Onam special video number 2. So I think you guys must have already seen my Onam special video number 1, which is Setamunda draping. If you haven't, please to check it out. It will be there in card. Okay. So today we are going to do set to saree draping, that is Kerala saree draping. Trust me guys, Kerala saree is so beautiful. It is an off-white color which has got golden border to it, and nowadays we get it in every variety I should say, which has got embroidery work, lace work, thread work, bead work and whatnot. So this simple Kerala saree itself, just off-white color and golden border, is gonna suit every woman, trust me guys. So I think many of you guys must be having Onam celebration in your office or college. So if so, I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So this is a very simple cotton saree basically. So this would be helpful if you are looking for a cotton saree draping as well. So first let's start with pleats, pallu pleats. That would be much easier. It's always better to take pleats at first itself. Now I'm gonna take small pleats. So that's a reason it might not come right at the very first go. So what we have to do is just randomly take pleats, and then if it comes right, well and good. If it doesn't, then we will have an idea like how much is leftover sari is there. I mean whatever fabric is left over, we can calculate the measurement as per that. So we will have to try once or twice, and then at the end we will get it right. But then if you are okay with having a little bit wider pleats, so this what we are gonna do here is we want very thinner pleats. Okay, that I feel that would look more beautiful. So if you do not mind having a like little bit pleats and wider pleats actually, you can check out my Setamunda draping. That is my own special video number 1, in which I have shown you a trick when you get exact measurement. So in one go you can take your pleats. Okay, you need not try again and again. Here I had to try for almost 3 times to get my pleats correctly. So once it is done, we need to like arrange the pleats properly, since it is cotton sari, and especially this cotton sari has got cassava, that is that golden border. It is little thick, so it was not falling correctly. So I had to struggle a bit. So what I'm doing is I am holding this sari pallu between my chin and neck like so, and with both of my hands I will be arranging my pleats. So there are various ways in which you can get your pleats right. You can hang this pallu in on a curtain with a safety pin, and then get your pleats right. I have done that method in my previous video, my Setamunda draping video. Or else you can keep a book, keep the pleats on a table and keep a book over it and iron it, and then you can get your pleats right. Again, I have done the same method for my pattu sari draping, that is silk sari draping. So please do check it out as well. Or else you can put in between a cupboard or any door. So it's all up to you guys, but then I feel that this is the easiest method, because you need not search for a curtain or a cupboard or anything like that. You just can get it right with just help of yourself, that is with your neck and chin. So this is very simple and easy method. So try it out. If it works out for you, that would be the best. Okay, so once you arrange pleats, make sure that you secure it with pins so that it doesn't like move. Here I'm not gonna iron it. If you want, you can iron it after pleating. You can go over it once again, but then there is no need. If your sari is already ironed, this would be more than enough. And then once you get your pleats correctly, what you can do is just make sure that you keep it on your shoulder and see that length, you get the length correctly. So it's as per your wish. If you want below knee, you can take that. So as per your convenience, as per your liking, you can take the length of your pleats. So that's very simple. Just take your pleats and pin it with the safety pin. Now I'm gonna tie my underskirt. I like to tie my underskirt in mid waist, so it's up to you guys. If you want, you can go to side waist as well, but then I feel that it is better to go for mid waist. I think that that would be more secure, and not just that, it wouldn't be bulging out. So for that, and then I have tied a knot at the end of sari and tucked it in. So make sure that you tie a knot so that it doesn't fall off very easily. So once it is tied till the sideways, I mean whole one round, and then just put your sari one more round just like so, and then take the pleats and just secure it to your blouse. Now just randomly secure it. It need not be very correct. So at the end, once your sari is completely draped, we can correct it later on. So once it is done, what we have to do is just pull your sari very tightly, just like so, and then just secure it with a safety pin, just wherein I'm going to show you guys right now. Maybe if you want, you can just come a little bit down as well, maybe near to your thighs as well, but then I feel that this works better for me. So just secure it using a safety pin. Make sure that you take in your underskirt as well while you are pinning it with this safety pin. Okay, so you have to put in underskirt sari all together, just secure all together with the safety pin, and start taking the pleats, and then make sure that your last pleat is a little bit wider than like rest of your pleats. Okay, now I feel that the very first pleat which I have taken, it's making it very tight, so I'll be just leaving that. Let it be there. We can adjust it later on. Now just arrange your pleats and then just tuck it. That's it, very simple. But then after arranging your pleats, make sure that you secure it with a safety pin, so that it is, it's secure, it doesn't fall off easily. And once it is done, just do it like so, and then run your fingers through each pleats so that it is very neat, and make sure that you run your fingers till the end of your pleats, just like so. Now that we have tucked in all the pleats, make sure that you also tuck in extra sari fabric, which is there at your waist. And then now let's work with shoulder pleats. So here we haven't secured it with safety pin very neatly. We just have randomly done it. Now just adjust your sari very well, make it very neat, and then secure it using a safety pin. make sure that our pallu pleats doesn't move at all, we have to secure it using safety pin. But then we have already done it, so what we have to do is just remove all the pins. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'll be taking out the very first pleat just like so, and then I'll be securing there with safety pin, but here I'll be taking in all the pleats together just like so. Okay, and now you guys can see that it is very much secure, and it doesn't move as well, and also safety pin is not visible. Only one pleat is not secure, so what we have to do is we'll have to just take the other side of the pleats, and then just take off the very first pleat, and then again secure it using safety pin. Here we will have to take other pleats except for the very first pleat, take all other pleats together and secure it using safety pin. I have shown you guys the same method in my Setamunda draping video as well. In this way, safety pin won't be visible. At the same time, these pallu pleats will be very secure. It wouldn't move at all. It would be very neat. So that's the reason I have done it. If you do not want it to make it this much complicated, I don't think it is complicated. I might made it little complicated while explaining it but this is not very complicated at all. If you like doing so, please do it. I think it's a very good method. Now what we have to do is, it's optional guys, if you have to leave it like just like that, you can leave it, but then I like to take in all the pleats like so, especially the side pleats, and then I'll be securing it with a safety pin, so that this pleats are very tight and it gives a nice shape to ourselves. So that's the reason I've done it. And then just run your fingers through each pleats so that it is again more neat and nice. And with that, our set sari or Kerala sari draping is done. And this very simple, it's a very simple cotton sari. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. More videos will be coming up for this Onam special video series, that is hairstyle, makeup. So stay tuned for that. See you in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. By the way, happy Onam guys. Enjoy.